Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we will learn and discuss about self-practice exercise question 6A, questions 1 to 7 of chapter 6. Chapter name is Decimals of class 6 of New Learning Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 7, self-practice 6A of chapter 6. Chapter name is Decimals and topic is word problems on decimals. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is a man walks in foot through streets of length 578 meter, 890 meter, 165 meter, 98 meter and 631 meter. Find how much kilometers he has walked. We have to find out total distance walked by the man in foot through the streets. The distance given in meter 578 meter, 890 meter, 165, 98 and 631 in meter. We have to add all the distance in meter, then we have to convert the distance in meter to kilometers. As the question asked, find how much kilometers he has walked. So we have to convert the meter into kilometer. So first find out the total distance walked by the man, that is we have to add all the distance in meter. 578 meter plus 890 meter plus 165 meter plus 98 meter plus 631 meter. So total distance will be, we apply the Vedic math addition from left to right, that is 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 0, here in 100 place there is no digit, so 14 plus 0 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Write down 20. In Vedic math addition we calculate from left to right. In normal, that is conventional math, we calculate or we add from right to left. That is only the difference between Vedic math and conventional math. But if we add from left to right, then we, without pen and paper, we calculate the addition, subtraction mentally. So 5 plus 8 plus 1 is 13, 13 plus 0 is 13, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 0 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Write down 20. Then add the tens place digit. 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, 22 plus 9 is 31, 31 plus 3 is 34. Write down 34. Write the carryover in bottom. Then add the ones place digit. 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 plus 8 is 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. Write down 22, 2 at the bottom. Now add the carryover with the number. 20 plus 3 is 23. Then 4 plus 2, carryover 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 2. Our answer is 2362 meter, which is equal with the conventional maths addition. This is the Vedic math addition from left to right, and this is the conventional math addition from right to left. We get the same result, 2362 meter. Now we have to convert the meter in kilometer, as the question asked in find how much kilometer. So we know 1000 meter is 1 kilometer, so we have to divide 2362 meter with 1000. So 2362 divided by 1000 is In 1000 there are 3 zeros, so we have to place 3 digits after the decimal point. So it will be 2.362 kilometer. So our answer is 2.362 kilometer, that is 2 kilometer and 362 meter. So total distance a man walked is 2.362 kilometer or 2 kilometer 362 meter. So total distance a man walked in foot is 2.362 kilometer. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is distance from town A to town B is 19.85 km of the distance. 6 km 760 meter is downhill. 6 km 68 meter is in less and the rest is uphill. How much of the road is uphill? The distance of the road uphill is, we have to subtract distance from town A to town B is 19.85. So 19.85 km minus, we have to add this total of 6 km 760 meter and the 6 km 68 meter. 6 km 760 meter plus 6 km 68 meter. So adding these two distance is 6 km is 12 km and 760 meter plus 68 meter is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8, then 6 plus 6 is 12, then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 828 kilometer. 6 kilometer, 760 meter. Then 6 kilometer, 68 meter. Then 6 plus 6 is 12, then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 12 kilometer, 828 meter. That is 12.828 kilometer. Now we have to subtract 19.85 kilometer minus 12.828 kilometer. 19.85 minus 12.828. 8 to 8. There is no here, so 10 minus 8 is 2. Then here 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. And 19 minus 8 is 7. So 7.022 kilometer. 7 kilometer 22 meter. So our answer is 7.022 kilometer. So total distance of the road is uphill is 7.022 kilometer. Now Arun had 965 rupees 27 paisa in bank. He withdraw 209 rupees 98 paisa. How much money is left in the bank? Total money in the bank Arun had kept in bank is 965 rupees 27 paisa, 965.27 rupees. And total money he withdraw is 209 rupees 98 paisa, that is 209.98 rupees. We have to find out total money left in the bank. Total money left in the bank is total money Arun had kept in the bank minus total money Arun withdraw from the bank. That is 965.27 rupees minus 209 rupees, 209.98 rupees. Here 7, 17, 965. 27 rupees minus 209. Subtracting we get, here there is 17 carry over from 1 and here 2, so 17 minus 8 is 9. Now here 1 is 1 carry over to this 7, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 9, we can't subtract 9 from 1, so we have to take the carry over from here. Now it is 11, 11 minus 2 is 2, decimal point. Then here 4 is 1 carry over to this place, so now 5 minus 1 is 4, 4. Then we can't subtract 9 from 4, so we have to take the carry over from here. Now this 4 becomes 14, 14 minus 9 is 5. Then here this 6 becomes 5, page 1 carry over to this 5 ones place digit, so now 6 becomes 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 minus 0 is 5, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So 755.29 rupees. This is the answer. So total money left in the bank is 755.29 rupees. So total money left Arun left in the bank is 755 rupees 29 paisa or 755.29 rupees. Now we solve question number 6. Suchitra weighs 52.8 kg before she became ill. In the first week, she lost 2.9 kg, but in the second week, she gained 0.72 kg. What was her total weight at the end of second week? We have given Suchitra's weight before became ill is 52.8. In the first week, she lost 2.9 kg, and in the second week, she gained weight in second week is 0.72 kg. We have to find out her total weight at the end of second week. So Suchitra's weight at the end of second week is Suchitra's weight before ill minus her lost weight in first week plus her gain weight in second week. That is 52.8 kg minus 2.9 kg plus 0.72 kg. We have to add first 52.8 plus 0.72 kg, that is 0 plus 2 is 2, then 8 plus 7, 52.8, 0.72. That is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry over 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 5. 53.52 kg. Minus, we have to subtract 2.9 kg, that is the loss weight of Suchitra. Before yield, loss weight in first week is 2.9 kg, so we have to subtract 2.9 kg. Now 53.52 kg minus 2.9 kg. Then we have to take the carry over. Now this 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. You can check out my Vedic Maths addition and Vedic Maths subtraction in my Vedic Maths playlist also. We apply from left to right in Vedic Maths addition subtraction. Now it is 3 becomes 2. 52 minus 2 is 2. Now total weight total weight of Suchitra at the end of second week is 52.62 kg. That is 50 kg 62 gram. So total weight of Suchitra's weight at the end of second week is 52.62 kg. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.